Khalid Waleed, who has an extensive experience in energy economics. And how do you see, after listening from different panelists, the challenges, the opportunities, and if it is going to be possible for Pakistan to establish a green transportation corridor, what are the opportunities that this CPEC provides us in the near future?
Thank you so much, Zainab, and thank you so much, Dr. Kanwar and Dr. Hassan Saab, Dr. Azir, who joined online. The topic has been extensively covered to technical aspects, to maritime aspect, to establish maritime corridor, green transportation, EV policy. I would come to this from the economic and energy side of it. There exists a triangle between energy, environment, and economy. If you Pakistan's economy, on the top of that triangle, you would see that energy and environment, they are both impacting Pakistan's economy in, I would say, like in adverse way. Pakistan is having worst kind of trade deficit, and energy is part of it, a major part of it, major component of it comes from energy imports. Secondly, there is an issue of environmental concerns as well, which is affecting our economy badly. That we are facing droughts. Dr. Hassan mentioned that sometimes we have drought and sometimes we have floods. Both are adversely impacting our economy. So there is a triangle between economy, energy, and environment. I would call it 3 E's of Pakistan's problem. These are, and if you put green transportation between the triangle, we can find some solution of both these problems. I think Pakistan's import problem is that Pakistan almost import like $10 billion of worth of petrol. If you see residential sector, not even mentioning the diesel, we import like $10 billion of petrol for transportation sector each year. And if we just cut 30% of that 10 billion, this is like we are cutting $3 billion for which we are begging to IMF and other financial institutions. So there is a need for alternatives, explore alternatives. Green CPEC and green transportation corridor can be very helpful in providing alternatives, providing green solutions. We can learn from China as well. Dr. Hassan has mentioned that China has a very different philosophy in terms of dealing with efficiency and other conservation issues. So I would say that first alternative would be the mass transit systems. We can build mass transit systems like metro buses and rail. We can enhance our railway systems as well. China has a very, very unique and very fast railway, which is run on green energy. Then second is EVs, electric vehicles. Dr. Azir has extensively covered that area. I think we can use China's capabilities and expertise to enhance our EV policies. Lastly, which I want to mention more, is the prospect and future of hydrogen as a fuel for Pakistan. Hydrogen can be a very green alternative for establishing Pakistan's green energy, energy and transportation corridor. China is currently building a largest hydrogen factory in China. There are 3 kinds of hydrogen, like we say, there is a gray hydrogen, and then there is blue hydrogen, and then there is green hydrogen. Green hydrogen, what I am talking about, green hydrogen is something that is powered by renewable energy, and then we are using that renewable electricity for electrolysis of water or seawater, and to convert them to hydrogen that can be used as transportation fuel in future. I would conclude it like this. The triangle between economics, energy, and environment can be solved through greening the transportation corridor through CPEC by exploring alternatives, and those alternatives would be mass transit, then electric vehicles, and then exploration of alternative fuels, hydrogen. China is working on fusion, which is like very far away, but I think hydrogen and electric vehicles are the options that we can use for some foreseeable future. So I would conclude it like this because all the other points that I have wrote have been extensively covered by Dr. Kanwar and Dr. Hassan, Dr. Azir. Thank you so much.